Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. Let's talk about rule number 2 for getting paid 100% for the work you do as an attorney. Rule number 2 is bill regularly, at least once a month. When I started my law practice in 2010, I made so many mistakes. And this is one of the mistakes I made. I'd bill every 6 weeks, I'd bill every 2 months, I'd bill every 3 months. It's just kind of whenever it happened, it happened. And that was terrible, and my collection rates were awful because of it. We've seen in a previous video, the Clio data shows that the average American attorney from the time they invoice, or from the time they do work till the time they invoice, is about 87 days. And then from the time the invoice goes out to the time they actually get paid is an additional 83 days for a total of 170, almost 6 months from the time an attorney does work until an attorney gets paid on average. And we know from other collection data out there that if you get past about 60 days on an invoice, your chance of getting paid in the invoice goes way down. So this is one of the major reasons attorneys in America are having such a tough time with collections and getting paid what they bill and what they're worth. So you need to bill regularly, at least once per month. Now, you can bill more often than that if you want to, and you have a system that allows for that. I have a very good friend. She collects at about a 98 to 99% rate in family law, which is very difficult to do. She bills once a week and collects once a week. Now, that works for her. That does not work for me in any way. I actually ran this experiment. I tried to do that. I only did it for a month because it went so poorly. My office manager threatened to quit. It was absolutely terrible for me, but it really works well for my friend. So what you need to do is create a system that works for you. If you want to do it every week, if you want to do it every 2 weeks, fantastic. That doesn't work for me. I do it once a month. And here's how I do it. And if this helps you, great. I bill on the first of every month. So I get up at 4 or 5 a.m. and I just start billing. I go through all the bills, making sure that everything is done. So by the time the kids, we get them to school, it's probably 9, 10 o'clock when I finish billing, and that's it. It goes out to my office manager, Jody, and she sends out all of the bills later on that day or on the 2nd, and that is our system. And then on the 20th of the month, we bill credit cards and we get paid on those things, but that's for another video. So anyway, that's our system. It has to happen on the 1st of the month for me. If I don't do it on the 1st of the month and I don't wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. to get this thing done, I get into the office and I get into the quagmire of kind of daily stuff and it doesn't get done. Then it's the 5th of the month and I haven't done it. And then, it's halfway through the month or something like that and the system breaks down. So I instill that discipline inside myself that I get up at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning on the 1st and I get things done. That's what works for me. Maybe it works for you a little bit differently, but whatever works for you, you have to bill at least once per month. Okay, rule number 3 tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.